As you can tell by the background, I am not at my normal shooting spots. I'm actually not even home. I'm at my parents' place right now for a few days. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short just to keep my YouTube streak going. I also went for a 1 mile run this morning just to keep my streak going. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and the reason I'm visiting my parents for a few days is my grandma passed right around a year ago, and according to our religion is more or less ancestor veneration, Taoist. We follow a lot of Taoist principles. We have a shrine of my grandfather in my parents' home, and so it's been a year since my grandma passed, so we have funeral stuff to do, traditions. So that's why I'm home, and that's it. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short. Well, I guess I'll show you a little bit of my parents' house. I did not grow up in this house. I actually grew up on a farm in Galt, California, and it was literally, as I've said before in previous video, it was like 30,000, like 20,000, 30,000 chickens. This house, they moved in after I went off to college, so I grew up in that Galt house, that farmhouse, until I left for college, and then they moved to this house a few years after. So I'm gonna show you a quick tour of around me. So here, this actually is, oh, the lighting is terrible. Right behind me, right here, is a koi fish pond. This actually used to be a swimming pool, but none of us swim, so my parents decided to make it a koi fish pond. And not sure if you can see the koi fish, but there are probably like 100 koi fish in there, and they are a pretty decent size. I think most of them are 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet. Here, and that's a quick tour. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. It is a pretty short video today, as I said. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. And if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.